Bullish Casper value forecast is 3 cents to 10 cents. Casper cost could likewise reach 50 cents soon. Bearish Casper cost expectation for 2023 is 2 cents. In Casper cost expectation 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about Casper to dissect the future development of the cryptographic money. What is Casper? The Casper organization plans to advance the utilization of dApps, brilliant agreements, and blockchain innovation. Likewise, Casper organization declares that it can settle the adaptability trilemma by empowering decentralization without compromising convention security. Casper value forecast 2023. Casper stands firm on the 98th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. Casper cost expectation 2022 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time span. The above graph of clay laid the even channel design. A flat channel or sideways pattern resembles a square-shaped design. It comprises of something like 4 contact focuses. This is on the grounds that it needs no less than 2 lows to interface, as well as 2 highs. Trading pressure is equivalent, and the overarching bearing of cost activity is sideways. Flat channels give a reasonable and precise method for exchanging by giving trade focuses. At the point when the cost raises a ruckus around town of the channel, sell your current long position or take a short position. The contrast between the other two is that a flat channel is portrayed as having equivalent ups and downs. At present, Casper is in the scope of 2 cents. Assuming that the example proceeds, the cost of Casper could arrive at the obstruction levels of 5 cents and 10 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of Casper might tumble to 3 cents and 2 cents. Casper backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Casper from the above everyday time span. We can obviously decipher the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Casper. The outlines show that Casper has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming that this pattern proceeds, Casper could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its opposition level at 8 cents. In like manner, in the event that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of Casper could dive to nearly 2 cents, a negative sign. Casper value expectation 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Casper is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of Casper lies underneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Casper is displayed in the outline above. Strikingly, Casper cost lies over 50 MAMA, so it is in a vertical pattern. At present, Casper has entered a bullish state. Subsequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of Casper whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength list of the Casper is 79.16. This implies that Casper is almost in an oversold state. Be that as it may, this implies a significant value inversion of Casper might happen in the forthcoming days. Along these lines, merchants need to painstakingly exchange. Casper value expectation 2023. ADX, RVI. Let us currently take a gander at the typical directional file. The above outline addresses the ADX of Casper. Presently, the ADX of Casper lies in the scope of 34.4650, and in this manner, it demonstrates serious areas of strength for us. The above graph additionally addresses the overall unpredictability file of Casper. RVI estimates the steady deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of Casper lies over 50, showing high unpredictability. Truth be told, the RSI of Casper is at 79.16, in this way affirming a potential purchase signal. Correlation of Casper with BTC. ETH. The beneath graph shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Casper. Casper. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI markers with ADX. From the above graph, it tends to be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and CSPR are not moving in a comparable pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC and ETH increments or diminishes, the cost of CSPR increments or diminishes conversely. Casper value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while anticipating costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. We should foresee the cost of Casper somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Casper value expectation 2024. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy and the pattern switches, Casper could presumably accomplish 91 cents by 2024. Casper value expectation 2025. With a few overhauls in the organization, Casper could enter a bullish direction. Assuming that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, Casper could energize to hit $1.30 by 2025. Casper Value Expectation 2026. If Casper supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years, Casper would revitalize to hit $1.80. Casper Value Expectation 2027. If Casper supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years, Casper would mobilize to hit $2.40. Casper Value Expectation 2028. If Casper supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years, Casper would energize to hit $3.10. Casper Value Forecast 2029. If Casper holds up areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving huge cost rallies, Casper would hit $3.70 in 2029. Casper Value Forecast 2030. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Casper, it would observe significant spikes. Casper could hit $4.50 by 2030. And with constant enhancements in the Casper organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for Casper. Consequently, the bullish value expectation of Casper in 2023 is 10 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Casper cost forecast for 2023 is 2 cents. Besides, with the headways and moves up to the Casper environment, the presentation of Casper would assist with arriving at over its ongoing all-time high of $1.33 very soon. However, it could likewise reach 50 cents assuming the financial backers accept that Casper is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What is Casper? The Casper organization means to advance the utilization of dApps, brilliant agreements, and blockchain innovation. 2. Where could you at any point buy Casper? Casper has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate OKX, XTCOM, Bitmart, Bitrue, LBank, and MEXC. 3. Will Casper come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and overhauls inside the Casper stage, Casper has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing all-time high of Casper? On May 12, 2021, Casper arrived at its new all-time high of $1.33. 5. Is Casper a wise interest in 2023? Casper is by all accounts one of the top acquiring digital forms of money this year. As per the kept accomplishments of Casper in the beyond couple of months, Casper is viewed as a wise interest in 2023. 6. Could Casper reach 50 cents? Casper is one of the dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state. In the end, on the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, Casper will hit 50 cents soon. Casper cost is supposed to reach 91 cents by 2024. 8. What will be Casper cost by 2025? Casper cost is supposed to reach $1.30 by 2025. 9. What will be Casper cost by 2026? Casper cost is supposed to reach $1.80 by 2026. 10. What will be Casper cost by 2027? Casper cost is supposed to reach $2.40 by 2027.